Egg bites are something that you can make to go to get ready for work. You can see here that it's about 3 eggs, a dash of milk. The seasonings are really to your taste. It's really what you prefer. It's a make ahead dish. And so as you can see, I have the Italian seasoning. I use the ground black pepper. Sometimes I use fresh ground black pepper depending on what I'm making it for. I add salt to my taste. You can make this dish without salt and it still be very flavorful. I spray my cupcake pans with or my muffin tins with olive oil. Add chopped onions and scallions, cheese, and then I'm going to add those vegetables into the mixture and dip them in by using like a like a soup spoon into the little cups. Once they're done, they cook about 20 minutes. They are perfect. They store about a couple of days. You can make them ahead for the week, but it ends up being a very easy thing to do on a weekend and something you can grab to eat during the weekday.